Hello everyone, once again, this is Mama Senho of Small Terrible YT channel. Today, we're going to use this audio tool here. Alright, but before that, okay, you first have to have an audio file for you to be used here. Okay, you go to this site online-voice-recorder.com and you are going to record your audio file here, okay, just like this. What is a scientific method? Scientific method is a systematic process that involves using measurable observations to formulate, test, or modify a hypothesis. Just press the red to signify stop, then save. So it's already downloaded. It's readily downloaded. Just click show in folder and just copy it in the desktop so that you can easily see it. Okay. Alright, so you have the audio file already. So all you have to do is, okay, click center, okay, add it in here. Click audio, then click add audio file, select the center part. Alright, then maybe this is the one. Okay, then create. So you have this already. For the preview, you select customize. Alright, customize. Alright, so let's try to listen. Alright, very good. So this time you were able to learn this audio tool, how to use it. In our previous tutorials, you have also learned how to use the link, the image, the gallery, the video, and the widget. Now, we are going to proceed to the questions in our next tutorial. Alright.